Hi, I'm Dalmar.
And you're watching the first ever episode of the
Grace and Dalmar Show.
I'm Grace Evenson. I've worked at the Cedar for about 5 years, currently the booking coordinator here. I book all of the acts that perform at the Cedar.
My name is Dalmar. I'm artist in resident here at Cedar Cultural Center. I help to engage communities together, Somalis and non-Somalis.
The Cedar is a non-profit music venue located in Minneapolis with a mission to promote intercultural appreciation through global music. Now in our 27th season, we present over 200 shows a year.
We are here at the Green Room, and we are here to highlight some of the coming up shows that you will see next coming weeks. The first we have on the schedule is Minnesota Somali Festival Week closing ceremony that will happen here at Cedar Cultural Center.
Somali American Festival Week is a series of events celebrating Somali independence and community from the week of July 9th to the 16th. Somali Independence Day already took place, but all week long there will be a soccer tournament and free weaving classes. What better way to end a week of history, culture, and soccer than a performance from our very own Dalmar Yare?
I'm so excited to be the artist who's going to do this closing ceremony here at Cedar Cultural Center. I prepared a lot of good songs, a lot of new songs for you guys. We will have the full band. The doors will be open at 9 o'clock. Please be there on time.
July 16th at the Cedar.
Yeah. If you are familiar with Nigerian music, then you know who King Sonny Ade is. He's been rocking on over 50 years, 69 years old. He's not planning to stop anytime soon.
A pioneer of modern juju music, his songs have made him a legend in Nigeria and gained him recognition from around the world. Along with that fame, his fans have given him a pretty awesome nickname. Can you guess which of these names his fans call him?
Boom, 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 boom. The boss of Overbeat?
The Minister of Enjoyment?
The Deacon of Dance?
Or the CEO of Juju?
Guess what is that? The right answer is?
The answer is the Minister of Enjoyment.
Yes. If you want to see the Minister of Enjoyment, come see King Sonny Ade at the Cedar Cultural Center on July 20th. Don't miss it, and also be on time.
Our last artist is Krar Collective. This three-piece band has a minimalist rock sound, which is why critics call them the Ethiopian White Stripes.
The group takes their name after the Krar, a 5-stringed harp that issued in a traditional Ethiopian music. Cedar Collective gives a modern sound to this ancient instrument by amplifying it, giving it the same effect as an electric guitar.
And Dalmar, you've performed with them, right?
Yes, I did perform with them about a year ago. The group has a lot of things together: music, dance, and the sound of their music actually get into everybody that was there. I really love them, and I know you're gonna have a good time with them. Come see them on July 22nd at the Cedar Cultural Center.
It's gonna be
crazy.
That's all we have for today. If you'd like to learn more information about any of the artists or the Cedar in general, head over to thecedar.org. You can also buy tickets on our site or on our Facebook.
Also, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. See you next time. Thanks for watching the Grace and Dalmar Show.
Ti bariseen ku badbaada noqo